are watching Kashif Times.
जिस तरीके से आज यहाँ प्रोग्राम रखा गया, एक से एक बच्चों ने कला दिखाई है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
This is second C class and third C class mix. I'm actually very happy to seeing that they have made so many projects. Eiffel Tower, it is famous in France. London Bridge from UK. Pisa Tower from Italy. And all the projects are very good. Especially this is very tall, but I loved it. And the way students are speaking, it is also very good. I loved everything what's going on.
इस तरीके से आज पूरा प्रोग्राम रखा गया है, पूरा बहुत अच्छा मैंने देखा। शायद ही कोई स्कूल में मलाड वेस्ट में इस तरीके का फंक्शन रखा गया है। क्या कहना चाहती है?
हाँ, मकसद यही था कि बच्चों को पढ़ाई के अलावा और जो सीख देनी है वो एक्चुअल में कैसे दे। तो यही तरीका है जहाँ बच्चे मॉडल्स बनाएं, अपने आप से उसके बारे में बोले। मेन मकसद ये है कि बच्चों ने समझाना चाहिए और इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए, जो थोड़ा बच्चों को ज़्यादातर मुश्किल होता है। तो कॉन्टिनेंट्स का थीम था। प्राइमरी में पूरे 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स लिए हैं और सेकेंडरी में हम लोगों ने 5 तत्व लिए हैं, जैसे फायर, अर्थ और ये जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उसके ऊपर है। तो आई एम श्योर के पेरेंट्स और बच्चों का बहुत कोऑपरेशन आया सर, और बहुत अच्छा लगा करके काम करके साथ में।
बच्चों के अंदर मैजिक दिखाया था एक बच्चे ने, और बच्चे ने अलग अलग बच्चों ने जो कलाएं दिखाई थी।
हाँ,
उन बच्चों के लिए क्या 9 के से 7 के 8 के
हाँ, सेकेंडरी के जो बच्चे हैं ना, उनके लिए हम लोगों ने स्पेशली ऐसे मैथमेटिकल मॉडल्स है, तो वो जनरली मैथ्स थोड़ा बोरिंग हो जाता है, बच्चे ज़्यादातर करने को रेडी नहीं होते हैं। और साइंस में भी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स रखे थे जिससे कि हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस बच्चों को ज़्यादा मिले। तो ये जो है वो 5th से लेके 9 तक बच्चे लिए हैं, क्योंकि 10th की तो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स है तो वो बच्चे नहीं है, पर ज़्यादातर सभी हायर क्लासेस ने ये सारा प्रेजेंट किया है आज।
कैसा लग रहा है बच्चों के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस देख के? और बच्चे छोटे मासूम बच्चे भी, जो छोटे क्लास के बच्चे, वो लोग भी अच्छे कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल रहे हैं।
25 साल हो गए हैं मुझे, 25 से भी ज़्यादा होंगे, लेकिन इस बार का जो ये है, मैं इतनी शॉक्ड हूँ खुद ही, क्योंकि कहीं चीज़ें ये टीचरों ने मुझे बताया ही नहीं है। जैसे अभी ये जो सॉन्ग्स है वो मुझे पता नहीं है, थोड़े मॉडल्स है जो मुझे दिखाए नहीं है, तो मैं खुद ही देख के मुझे हैरानी हुई कि बच्चे और टीचर्स, स्पेशली पेरेंट्स भी सुन रहे हैं कि पेरेंट्स इतना दिल दिमाग जान डाल के जो बनाया है वो, मैं मतलब मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है कि मैं चाहूँगी कि ऐसा एवरी ईयर पेरेंट्स हमको एनकरेज करे ताकि।
Good morning, sir. Myself Vidisha and I am from standard 7B. My topic is the invisible fire. The substances I need is sanitizer, matchsticks and a piece of paper. First I will add the sanitizer and then I will burn it. Can you see the flame? No. But if I keep the piece of paper on it, it will burn. This happens because the sanitizer contains alcohol, and if we burn it, it will produce a blue flame which is only visible on the daytime. And if we do the experiment in the night time or in the dim lights, we can see the fire quickly and easily. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to present a reaction between hydrogen peroxide and potassium permanganate. First we have to add little amount of hydrogen peroxide. First we have to add little amount of hydrogen peroxide in the beaker. And in the second we have to add shampoo. And in the second beaker we have to make a solution of potassium permanganate and water. And we have to add in this. Thank you. इसमें पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट मिक्स है। My name is Kumar Akshay, studying in standard 7th A. Today I am here to present a brilliant experiment of Pampers. It's a cotton removed from the Pampers. The powder is made up of a polymer, which is a large molecule of repeating units. When powder and water meet each other, it forms a fake snow. The polymer can absorb up to 800 times its own weight in water. It's a snow. It is in many colors, but I have used the purple color. It's a water. I have added some potassium permanganate to give the color in the water. The snows are used for playing TVs, serials, etc. Thank you.
My name is Yash. I am standard in 7th. I am doing hydrogen periodic and potassium permanganate. I am
First, we will put
the potassium
hydrogen dioxide in the glass. Then we will put some potassium permanganate in the glass. Now the reaction between them is happening. When the reaction is done, the smoke comes out from that. Like this. Thank you.
Very good morning to everyone. Myself Srishti Vishwakarma. Today I am going to present a science experiment and my topic is floating smoke. The experiment demonstrates how hot and smoke rise due to the difference in air density causing a floating effect. For floating smoke experiment, I need one glass, one rough paper and matchsticks. For this, I first have to take this matchstick and put in this paper. And then roll this paper. And I will twist there where I am going to burn. And put in the glass. And I'll burn the paper. And then when the burn, all the matchsticks will smoke inside the glass. And then smoke will keep in glass, not will rise away. Just wait for smoke will inside the glass will not rise away. Slowly is coming up. Concept. Floating smoke refers to the concept of smoke particles being suspended same in mid-air. Defying gravity due to their relatively lower density compared to the surrounding air. Traveling caused by the smoke being heat and rising upwards. Thank you.
Present over here. Myself, Anabi Patel from Standard 7B, and she is my partner.
Myself, Ajashik from Standard 7B.
Today we are going to present the 3 experiments: reflection of light, lava lamp, and fire on the water. First, we will start with reflection of light. Watch. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray, and this is known as point of incident ray.
Can you see the rays?
What is reflection of light? Reflection of light is when light bounces off a surface and changes direction. It occurs when light waves It occurs when light waves hit a surface that doesn't absorb the light energy. How it works? The light ray, watch, the light ray that hits the surface is known as incident ray.
The light ray that bounces back is called the reflected ray.
And we are going to start with our second experiment, lava lamp. Let's go there. First, we will need baking soda, and then some oil, and vinegar, and some color. And watch what will happen. The vinegar is solution acid. It is also dense with the oil. So when you put it in the vase, it will pour. बस हो गया.
At the surface, bubbles bounce, and the base of the town is called lava lamp.
And now we move towards a third experiment. अरे यार. First we will need a glass of water.
Then we will add nail paint. नहीं निकल रहा है, काम कर शैम्पू वाला कर.
शैम्पू का
ना भी निकलेगा.
and we will add shampoo. You can take any shampoo, it's not compulsory. Mix it.
Then we will mix it, and then we will add.
Watch the.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Hey, my name is Asia, and more than half of the world population live here. And I'm Africa, which is a pride of the largest river. North America stretches from wide open spaces all the way to Canada. I'm South America with animals galore, where the rainforest grows, cause the rain really pours. I'm Antarctica, I'm totally ice. And I'm Europe, you're welcome, for the pasta, pizza, waffles and fries. I am Australia, some call me Oceania. I got a lot of islands, too many to explain to ya. We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, finally Australia. Thank you. And it's not just continent, it is on the South Pole. It is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Its landmass is almost totally covered by a vast ice sheet. It is the world's highest, driest, windest, coldest, and iciest continent. It is about 5.5 million square miles. Antarctica's name means opposite to the Arctic. About 99% of Antarctica is covered by ice. The ice has an average thickness of 2 kilometers. The coldest temperature recorded at the South Pole reached 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. is a place of great beauty and wonder. McMurdo Station, built in 1955, is the largest scientific research facility in Antarctica. The size of McMurdo Station can make it feel more like a village than a base. There are about 85 buildings that make up McMurdo Station, including hostels, a chapel, fire station, harbor, and 3 airfields. The Antarctic continent reflects most of the sun's light rather than absorbing it. Very few animals can survive in Antarctica. Only one warm-blooded animal remains on the Antarctic continent during the bitter winter, the emperor penguin. There are no traditional dress of Antarctica, but travelers wear dresses according to seasons. Food in Antarctica is similar food to eaten at home, but it's mostly frozen, dried or tinned. Antarctica has no natural dish. While you may not see a single piece of fruit or veg, seafood is very popular, with shellfish being a particular favorite. Russian, French, Chinese, Italian, Norwegian, Japanese, Dutch, and Czech languages spoken in Antarctica. I think now you have a basic information about Antarctica. Thank you.
मैम वापस एक मिनट बेटा
Turkey is a beautiful country. Istanbul is the famous city. Turkey people drink tea and love to eat kebab. The Galata Tower in Turkey is very famous and beautiful. Hagia Sophia is one famous place in Turkey. Turkey is country full of fishy and delicious food. Thank you.
वाह बहुत अच्छा आप बुलानी है फारसी गुड 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 अन्ना जी
आज स्पीच सुन रहे हो और वो ले रहे हो
हाँ
कसमिया कमल से लाउडली
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tasya. Today is my subject China. China is a country in East Asia with population of our 1.4 billion people. China's capital is Beijing. China's official name is the People's Republic of China (PRC). China is the world's third or fourth largest country, covering about 9.6 million square kilometers. China's nickname is the Red Dragon. The dragon is as much part of Chinese culture. China is a large country with a variety of landscapes including mountains, plateaus, deserts and forests. China is home to many animals that are native to the country, including the giant panda, snub-nosed golden monkey and Chinese alligator. The flag of China is red with 5 golden stars. China is communist state. China's coastline is about 18,000 kilometers long and it has over 5,000 islands. Thank you. Hello, my name is Karan and today I'm gonna take you to Japan. This is the current flag and now let's talk about its currency. Tokyo is the capital of Japan and this is a Japanese doll and this is Sakura, a flower from Japan and this is a dragon and now let's see the best places in Japan. Pagoda, Fujidachi and the cherry blossom trees are from Japan. You often see them. Now let's talk about the arts of Japan. Nanaki Neko, Sumo, the Konya Sushi, Bonsai and the Panda.
थैंक यू। कौन बोलेगा? आप बोलेंगे?
Good morning everyone. India is truly amazing country. It is full of diversity in culture, religions and traditions. India is an ancient civilization country, the 7th largest country in the world. The Himalayan mountains are in the north. The Indian Ocean lies to its south. The tricolor is our national flag, orange, white and green, with between Ashoka Chakra. National animal tiger, bird peacock, flower lotus, game hockey, fruit mango. India is known for its wonder, like the Taj Mahal, ancient forts and temples. It is also growing fast with achievements in technology, space and education. We celebrate many festivals like Diwali, Eid, Holi, Christmas, Ganesh Utsav, etc. We enjoy together every year happily. People speak over 120 languages as India, with rich in traditional music and dance. What makes India special is its people. No matter our difference, we stand united as one nation. Let's always be proud and work to make it even better. Ma tujhe salam dita hai, manne vadakam. Thank you, Henry. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, madam, and my all dear friends. My name is Khuzaima Talib Khan. My topic is UAE. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. Capital city of UAE is Abu Dhabi. Arabic is official language of UAE. The UAE is a country with 7 parts including Abu Dhabi and Dubai. It is very sunny. The UAE became rich after discovering oil. Dubai is famous for tall buildings and shopping malls. The country has beautiful deserts and beach. Abaya and Jubba is official dressing in UAE. Dirham is official currency of UAE. The UAE Falcon is national bird of UAE. World tallest building Burj Khalifa is in Dubai. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is in Abu Dhabi. My speech is done. Assalamu alaikum. Ma'as-salama. Turkey is famous for its rich history, cultures and natural beauty. Turkey mother tongue is Turkish. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. Blue Mosque is the famous mosque of Turkey. Ankara is the famous sweet of Turkey. Black tea is famous tea of Turkey. Thank you. Habibi, come to Dubai.
हाँ हमारा बोलो।
This is India.
चलिए आवाज आई।
This is Dubai. This is China. This is Thailand. This is Japan. This is Vietnam. Thank you.
थैंक यू.
हाँ ये दुबई.
हाँ, दुबई.
Welcome to Dubai. Hello friends, we are going to visit Dubai. In Dubai there is a world tallest building, that is Burj Khalifa. You can test ride on camel in the desert. We can take photos or selfie in beautiful frame. Also visit a museum to learn about more more more
Firstly, I will give a greetings to everyone. Actually, I'm very grateful and thankful for all the faculties studying and like taking parts in Mount Mary High School. This is my son's first year. He's in junior KG. He's in junior KG, and like I'm very even I am also the ex-student of Mount Mary High School. I also studied from this same school, and the functions which is held here, and the like facilities who are taking care of the entire school, and the cooperation for the children are very awesome, and they are doing their good and well job. Even the activities which is going in the during the academic year is also a great job done by everyone, the entire staff and entire team, and also our students also.
Good morning. My name is Nita, and we are connected here from 10 years. My son is in 9th standard and one is in 2nd standard. मुझे यहाँ पर सच में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. यहाँ पर मीन्स अभी मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँगी तो सभी पेरेंट्स नहीं समझ पाएंगे. तो यहाँ के फैसिलिटीज़ एंड यहाँ के जो एक्टिविटीज़ जो बच्चों के लिए होती है, पढ़ाई हमेशा हर जगह होती है, बट जो एक्टिविटीज़ होती है वो भी अपने लाइफ साइकिल में ज़रूरी है. और जहाँ जो बच्चे यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, आई एम थैंकफुल टू ऑल टीचर्स कि उन लोग उनको लेते हैं. एंड रियली अच्छी है, स्कूल भी अच्छी है, स्टडीज़ भी अच्छी है, एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज गुड इन योर. थैंक यू.
Good morning, sir. My name is Muskan Shamji Chaurasia. That is my charts, transport and communication. Today, I would like to say something about traffic and transport and communication. This is three colors you could see here. This is red, yellow, and green. Red is for stop. Red is for stop. Yellow is for slow down, and green is for go. This system helps in the movement of vehicles and pedestrians, and prevents accidents and traffic jams. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to everyone present here. Good morning to everyone present here. Today I am. My topic is the concept of future transportation. This concept will help to use less electricity. As we can see today nowadays, the railway barriers are there, which increases this. To reduce that ratio, railway barrier was invented. As we can see, here is a red color which means stop, and yellow which means to ready, and green which means to go. Solar car charging system. Today, India is growing with environment friendly cars. More of electric vehicles. As we can see, here's the solar charging system. So when sunlight gets on solar panel, the light ignites. As we can see, accident alert system. Now we see many deaths and accidents happen because not of receiving help and hospitalized immediately. Here's a control room, and in that there is a buzzer. When someone pushes the button, the buzzer in the control room will ring, and this will give them help when control room sends help. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present over here. Myself, Sheikh Shine, and we are from 8B. Today, we are going to share our views on the topic of greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a condition where thermal radiation and emitting from the earth passes via the atmosphere. The earth absorbs a portion of rays and reflect back up towards the atmosphere. For example, carbon dioxide plus methane, it reacts the trapping of heat of the earth.
This is greenhouse effect. We made this OHP sheet, thermocol, battery, NV battery connector, etc. This is possible because infrared emitting process. Greenhouse gases absorb When greenhouse gases absorb the radiation, they send heat energy to the surface, causing the normal temperature of the earth is emulated. The main greenhouse gas include carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, ozone, and nitrous oxide. Water vapor is the most significant greenhouse gas. It occurs naturally in high volume of atmosphere. Thank you. This is the last point.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Sheikh Sadika of Standard 8.
I am Sheikh Sana of Standard 8 and we are greatly honored to present here. Today, our theme is transport, communication and technology and sub-theme carbon purification.
Did you know what is carbon purification? Let me tell you. It removes all unwanted materials of waste materials of industry's process. It helps in improved product quality and reducing pollutions.
Now, I will tell you how this project works. First, I will lighten the paper. Assume this box as a factory, okay? So, the factory's harmful gas from this chimney, it will come in this box. This box contains cotton and purification liquid. It can clean everything. So, after cleaning all these gases, the clean air will come out of this. See, it's coming. Now you will think, what is carbon absorber?
Carbon absorber is to materials or device which remove all the waste materials in the carbon dioxide, CO2 and carbon based gases.
Carbon purification has two effects, negative and positive effects.
Positive effects: first, improved air and water quality; second, waste reduction; third, gold and metal recovery. For negative effect, first, energy consumption; second, waste disposal issues; and third, byproduct formation.
Now, carbon purification of industries. Carbon purification in industries means cleaning or refining carbon materials to remove impurities. These impurities can affect the efficiency or performance of carbon in industrial process, for example, in air or water filtration. In conclusion, this carbon purification is really versatile for many industries. Okay, it can clean air and water also.
We would like to conclude our thoughts with this quote said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We must progress in technology and must not forget our responsibility to ensure essence. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Sheikh Nahida of Standard 8B, with my partner, Sheikh Hadia of Standard 8B, would like to stand before you, not just to speak about a topic that is sustainable, but also a topic that presents both innovation and technology. Our topic is transport and communication and technology. Let us demonstrate how our project works. As we can see, my partner is pouring water in the bucket. As it is not sinking at the bottom but floating on the top of the water. It is floating house. One of the biggest challenge that our world faces today is climate change. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the sea level rises up to 1 meter by 2100. The floating house offers us a solution to this growing threat. By designing our home that can float on water, we can adapt to the changing environment rather than fighting against it. Floating house doesn't only provide us shelter, but also they give us a sustainable way of living, as they are made with eco-friendly materials like bamboo sticks and recycled plastics and other renewable resources. In places where land is scarce or expensive, floating communities can be developed without a need to harm our mother nature.
As the world faces rising sea levels, urbanization, and the strain of traditional housing on the environment, a floating house is a glimpse of a future of structures, architectures, and the sustainability. The technology behind floating house is truly incredible. These houses are not just made to be stable, but to face harsh weather conditions. As a big figure of this industry says that a future is not about doing less now, but doing more good.
Imagine an entire floating community filled. Uh, Imagine an entire floating community divided and connected with bridges and providing you all the amenities of a traditional city.
As we can see, innovation for a better future, and it is also eco-friendly living, customizable and modern.
Towards floating cities, and also it offers innovation and sustainability, adaptation to rising sea levels,
Energy efficient.
community and social impact.
In conclusion, this project is a really sustainable one. I will hope everyone likes it and give a big round of applause. Thank you.
Everyone, today myself Shiva Maurya, class 7. I am doing the experiment of fire with chemical. First I put the paper on the bowl, and then I am adding the potassium permanganate. After adding the potassium permanganate, I will add some glycerin. After adding the glycerin in the potassium permanganate, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to burn the fire, and the white smoke are great. You can see that the white smoke are great. White smokes are very harmful for our us. If we assume that we can very harmful for our us, the purple fire is burned. This is the fire with chemical. Thank you.
Thank you. And today I'm going to do a very interesting experiment on pepper and soap science. So for this experiment, we require some dishwasher, black pepper, and yogurt, and a little spoon. I'll start by adding some water in the plate. And then I'll sprinkle some black pepper on the water. Yes. The water molecules stick together at the surface, allowing the pepper to float on it. Now, I'll take the dishwasher and then yogurt. I'll dip it in the dishwasher and then in the water. Can you see what happens? The surface tension in that area decreases, and the remaining strong surface tension pulls the water and the pepper at the edges of the plate. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Hashmi Shana, and today I'm going to do the experiment of burning a plastic cup with water. For this experiment we'll need a plastic cup, a lighter and some water. To start this, I'll put the glass here and add some water in it. Now I'll burn this.
water prevents the plastic from absorbing heat. This principle is used for lighting, for firefighters, and to protect and heat protection. Can you see? The plastic burns till the water. It doesn't burns the water that is there. Thank you. Morning to one and all present here, respected principal sir, ma'am, and all my friends. At first, I would like to introduce myself. I am Yash Nirmal.
And I am Gupta Sakshi from Standard 6th. My topic name is sprinkle irrigation. I would like to share few lines about sprinkle irrigation. Here are the used material. Example: thermocol, soil, trees, pipes, tank, house, well, pump, etc.
Do you know what is sprinkle irrigation? Sprinkle irrigation is a modern method of sprinkling the plants, in which water is planted over the plant. In the system of the plants, it is uses pipe, pumper, and etc.
Causes for sprinkle irrigation. Sprinkle irrigation is used because of a supply important factories it make more efficiently irrigational traditional resources.
And I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
Good morning. I Sheikh Humaira.
I Khan Hariba.
Today we are presenting wastewater management water. As you can see, I am pouring some dirty water.
More.
And now this dirty water gone in rocks and then came in pebbles and then in coal and then in sand and then it came in cotton. And after purifying it came in a container. Did you know? Now here is the uses of wastewater. Did you know every day millions of liters of water produced by household, factories, industries, farms, etc. If this polluted water is not treated, this polluted water can harm lakes, soil, and even our drinking water sources. But with wastewater treatment, we can recycle and reuse with this wastewater for different processes.
Do you know what is wastewater management? Wastewater management is the process of cleaning dirty water from homes, industries, and agriculture. It helps in reducing the water pollution and recycling the irrigation for industries.
Of treated wastewater. Irrigation used for watering crops and plants. Industrial use used in cooling system and manufacturing. Recharge groundwater helps increase groundwater level. Cleaning and sanitation used in toilets, cleaning cars, and street roads.
Why wastewater management is important? Safe water reduce the bacteria of the water, and it will use for sustainable use. It helps in using our daily life work.
Now we would conclude our model. Water is a precious resource. We can use wastewater treatment wisely.
Good morning everyone. My name is Syed Ahin. I am studying 6th standard. Today I am going to talk about the most powerful natural disaster. I am talking about earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth's surface and earthquakes. It happens when the tectonic plates beneath the earth's surface. Earthquakes are mild and severe. While the
while the large earthquake can destroy the buildings, roads, and even cause landslides and tsunamis. The effects of earthquakes are landslide and tsunamis. Let's see about uh, how the effects of earthquakes are. These earthquakes can human and the when you are knowledge about the earthquake. And thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I Sayyida Majazal.
And I, Ananya Deepak Jaiswal from Standard 6th A.
Today we are here to tell you about fossil fuel versus renewable energy. What is fossil fuel and renewable energy? Fossil fuel are non-renewable resource that contributes to air and water pollution.
While renewable energy is considered as environmental friendly.
Fossil fuel releases carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen, which contributes to a global warming, acid rain, and water pollution. Fossil fuel extraction and transportation can also cause oil spills and habitat destruction.
Renewable energy emit minimal or no greenhouse gases during operations.
Fossil fuel power plants are only 25 to 85% efficient.
Many types of renewable power generations are 100% efficient.
Supply and the availability of the fossil fuel are limited.
Solar, wind, geothermal, biomass are the source of renewable energy.
Coal, oil, and natural gas are the source of fossil fuel. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Myself Malik Laiba from Standard 6B, and today I am here to tell you about a dam working model. Dams are engineering marvels that helps us in multiple ways, like storing water, generating electricity, controlling floods, and agriculture. Let us explore how does a dam work and their importance in our daily lives. What is a dam? A dam is a barrier built across a river or stream to hold the backwater. It is a reservoir that can be used for various purposes like water supply and electricity generation. Reservoir stores water collected from rain or river. Spillway. The spillway allows excess water to flow out safely. How does a dam work? Let us see a model to understand the working of a dam. Here, the renewable energy resources. Hydroelectric power is one of the cleanest forms of energy because it doesn't burn fossil fuels and produce harmful emissions. Renewable power generation. Dams can store large amount of water, help to control flooding, store water for agriculture, and produce agricultural water to commission. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vanya Teresa from 60. I'm here to present my model, and my model name is pollution and its type. Do you know what is pollution? Pollution refers to occurs the environment and affects the air, water, and land. First of all, I will say land pollution. Here you can see land pollution. It's now our world. Here you can see it's our made. And water pollution. Here you can see the fish is taking help. Here you can see air pollution. This all occurs because of human beings. This air pollution occurs from transporting and the health effects. Health effects of air pollution is very badly affect on our body. For example, heart disease, lungs cancer, and reducing lifetime. Here you can see air pollution. Air pollution here is a factory which throwing air pollution. Here you can see the chemical plant which is throwing water pollution. And here is the land pollution. It means it's a land pollution. Now I'm going to end my speech with this word. Thank you. Talking about the road accident and the prevention. Road accident caused due to several reasons. What is road accident? Road accident is a man-made disaster. We have few points. First, overspeeding. Second, drunk and drive. Third, distraction. First, to not drive the car very fastly. We should have to drive a car only 40 to 50 km per hour speed. Here you can see we can drive very fastly. The handle of the car cannot move properly. It causes accident. Distraction. Do not use mobile while driving. When you use mobile and driving, the attention we are giving to drive that not proper. That is also cause accident. 4. Respect traffic rules. Here, when red light glows, we have to stop. Then, when red light off and green light on, then we have to move. It is a basic thing a car driver knows. We have some extra point for a bike.
Not wearing a helmet, not following the traffic rules, always riding alone and not in a prepared. This can cause accident. Obey all traffic rules, follow traffic signals, speed limits. Riding in a groups make you more visible and increases safety. Carry a first aid kit and learn how to use it and how basic bike repair skills. Conclusion: road safety are everyone's responsibility. Drivers and government authorities, by following simple rules and modern technology, we can prevent and save lives. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. One and all present here. My name is Alia Parvez Khan.
My name is Sheikh Zunaira
From Standard 6B. Today we are here to give our topic Solution to Pollution. When the pollution of the factories are, this machine absorb it. Water pollution. When we see what plastics in the water, it means water pollution. Air pollution. In the factories, kitchens, industrial waste, we uses many effects such as known as air pollution.
Plastic pollution. When we throw plastics, it's called plastic pollution.
Noise pollution. When at the traffic signal we hear vehicles sound, it is called noise pollution. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Pratha Jaswar from 6B. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aisha Khatun Manihar. Today we are going to presenting a model of atmospheric layers of the Earth. These are the 5 layers of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. In troposphere, we can see hot air balloons like parachute. In stratosphere, we can see aeroplanes, clouds, etc. In mesosphere, we can see meteoroids and all. In exosphere, we can see rockets, satellites, etc. There are 3 layers which you can see. These are the example of all the layers. Here, these are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. Here you can see in the troposphere clouds, hot balloons, etc. Stratosphere in which ozone layer also are there. In ozone layer also called protective shell of the Earth. Troposphere is the Earth's layer. Exosphere is the second last. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chaitra Subhesh Kadam. I am standing here to explain about flood resistance. First, we will put water. When this water will overflow, this occurs alarm to activate, and we can change our families and friends' life. This is examples of flooding. Keep away from all proof things. Do not drink. Listen for emergency broadcast. Avoid contact with flood water when every possible. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present here. Myself, Sheikh Shagib, studying in Standard 6B, standing here today to present a cyclone model. Do you even see clouds, heavy rains, and swirling clouds? This forms a cyclone. Cyclone form over a land, a few miles up from the land. The cyclone
The cyclone. See, this is a cyclone. The cyclone, when the cyclone come, the land is destroyed fully. The cyclone speed wind up to 300 mph, means 300 meter per hour. A cyclone could be to a couple of hours or minute. Thank you.
Hello.
आवाज आ रही है।
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Arhan Qureshi from class 5th C. As all you know, agriculture is considered as the primary and the most primitive occupation in India. With the large portion of the population depending on farming as their primary livelihood. In villages, a scarecrow is used by farmers in the fields to save their crops by the animals and the birds. You know that the scarecrow don't move and don't make noise, but in my project I have modified and changed the scarecrow. When the birds or animals will enter the field, the scarecrow will detect them with the sensor in it and make noise like this. Imagine this is a bird or animal and this is a field and a bird is passing through it. It will make noise like this. Benefits of this sensory scarecrow. It is effective in day and night both. It can be used in semi-environment like a warehouse. It is also less environment damaging than the traditional scarecrows and the laser scarecrows. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kirtika. Myself, Riya. Myself, Devina. We are studying in Standard 5th. Our today's topic is natural farming. Have you ever heard of natural farming? It provides us healthy food, and healthy food gives us healthiness. And as you know, health is wealth. This is a working model of natural farming. Let me show you how does it work. Through this pipe, the water will go into the farm and the crops would get some water. What do you think? What is the meaning of natural farming? Something that gifted by nature. Do you want some explanation about natural farming? Natural farming is a chemical-free farming system that uses local resources and indigenous practices. It's based on agroecology and integrates crops, trees, and livestock. Natural farming practices include crop rotation, mulching, and using natural pesticides. Crop rotation, a key practice in natural farming, involves growing different crops in the same area in a sequence, helps control weeds, pests, and soil-borne diseases, improves soil fertility and productivity. There are some disadvantages of conventional farming, but there are some advantages of organic farming. These are disadvantages of conventional farming. Advantages of organic farming. Food produced is not healthy. Healthy food produced causes soil erosion, reduces fertility. Doesn't reduce soil fertility. Harms livestock. Does not harm livestock. Damages ecosystem. Does not damages ecosystem. High cost of fertilizers and pesticides. Cheaper input, saving in cost. Organic mulch such as leaves or straw is used to cover the soil. This helps retain moisture, prevent soil erosion and provide nutrients. Even animals like oxen helps in farming. Natural farming promotes sustainable development for our future generation. Thank you.
Morning everyone, we are from Standard 5th B. Today we are presenting to you a working model on agriculture. Farming is very important because it gives us food to eat. Farmers grow crops like rice, wheat and vegetables. They also take care of animals like cows, goats and chickens.
Farmers work hard every day in the field. They use tools and machines to grow the food. Some rain and good soil are needed for farming.
Farming gives jobs to many people. The government helps farmers with new ideas. We should always respect the farmers because they help us to live. Now let's see how it works.
First, we put some water on the roof. The waters go in the water tank.
And then when we press the button, the water goes into the plant. So this is our working model of agriculture. Thank you.
Shall we start? Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sanvi.
Myself, Rudy. We are from Standard 5th, presenting a working model on health and hygiene. Living in a clean environment has positive impact on our physical health.
As we all know, health is wealth. Our health and hygiene to lead a happy and healthy life, protecting not only ourselves but also those around us.
Now we will discuss about washing hands.
Washing hands regularly prevent the spread of illness and disease in several ways.
Next, we will discuss about cleanliness.
Cleanliness helps to eliminate those harmful substances, reducing the risk of disease and promoting a good health.
Next, we will discuss about benefits of yoga.
It helps you to improve your mood. It helps you to get a better brain function.
If you do yoga, your bones and muscles will get strong. You can stay fit every day and it is good for our health.
Moving forward, let's move to our next point, which is a balanced diet.
A balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and well-being.
Let us see what are the benefits of exercise.
Benefit of exercise can give longer life and lower risk of some cancers.
Exercise helps you to get a better helps you to improve your mood, reduce risks, and get a better sleep.
Exercise improve your energy level and confidence. Thank you for visiting our project.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anu Tiwari. I am from Standard 5B and I am showing you a model on farming method known as drip irrigation. In this method, crops grow well in a shorter period of time. In this method, pipes with holes are used to give water to the plants and the plants get water very easily and they doesn't get overwater and become saline and flow away. With the help of these methods, all impurities present in the water get destroyed and the people living there get healthy food. If we save plants, then only plants will save our earth. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanzila Akil Patel.
My name is Tamanna Javed Memon.
We are from Standard 5th B. Our topic is agriculture.
Agriculture is a thing that has greenery everywhere. House, a building that is made for people to live in. Field, an area of land on a farm usually surrounded by fence or walls used for growing crops or keeping animals in. Carrot, a carrot is a vegetable that is healthy for our body. Sunflower, association with positivity and joy. Wind farm fence, the larger blade of a wind turbine with a wind farms.
Farmer, a person who owns or manages a farm. Cow, cow gives us milk. Scarecrow, scarecrow keeps animals and birds away from the field. Cock, cock eats rice and it gives us eggs. Well, a hole dug into the ground to access groundwater. Trees, trees are tall plants that can live for a long time and help humans by giving them oxygen. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mr. Santosh Shukla from Standard 5th C. Now I am explaining the science exhibition working model. Focus on health and hygiene. Take a balanced diet of the section. Highlight the role of a nutrition. The role of a nutrition in preventing in maintaining good health. Silver toilet. The silver toilet high the importance of sanitation facilities in maintaining good health, public health. Yoga. Every day doing yoga early in the morning. It keeps stay to physically mental fit. After doing yoga, you cannot become ill. Thank you.
Past school science exhibition. Myself Kunkanta Nushi studying in standard 7th A.
Myself Khanasha standing in 7th A.
Today I want to explain about an effect that happens to every one of us. My topic is dustbin, dry waste, wet waste and plastic waste. And the humble dustbin, how it is processed to garbage. Every one of us use dustbins in our home. We waste lot of things, but we should use three types of dustbin because it is easy to recycle the waste. Let's start with the plastic waste. Plastic is the one of the most plastic pollution. It's take more than 100 years to decompose. So we avoid the plastic. Dry waste. Dry waste is the recyclable such as a newspaper, aluminium, cell and bottles. Wheat waste. Wheat waste is the organic matters such use of food scrape, leaves and biodegradable. We should use three types of dustbin in our home. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our school for the wonderful science exhibition. Myself Zia Sayyed.
Myself Vaishnavi Mistry.
And we are from 7th A.
Today our topic is I can protect the earth and water filtration. What do you understand by seeing this chart? It's something about protecting our earth. What do you understand by listening this sentence? Now, can you understand? Can you think how can we protect our earth? There are some points from that you can understand. How can we protect our earth?
This is the point. Stop wasting water, plant trees, say not to plastic, declutter and donate, shop local and organic. There are turn off the light, make a bird house. And our second topic is water filtration. What can you see the model? It's a working model of water filtration. What do you understand by water filtration? It's a process that purifies the water into complete drinking safe water. There are some methods of water filtration, and the method are this.
The methods are distillation, UV filters, and reverse osmosis. These were the methods.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Ritika Sharma from Standard 7th A. Welcome to the science exhibition of our school. My topic name is filtration of water. Filtration is a method used to remove impurities, dirt and particles from water. How does it work? The filtration process starts from big pebbles, small pebbles such sand, charcoal and cotton. Benefits of water filtration: removes dirt from water, improves water, clarify, cost effective and simple, easy to use and maintain, improves health, ensures safe drinking water and water diseases. Thank you.
My name is Richa and I am from Standard 7th. My topic name is ATM. ATM, automatic teller machine or ATM. ATM allow users to withdraw cash, deposit money, check account balance and even transfer money from accounts. Now I will show you how it will works. First we will put the coin and then we will insert the card. So coin will be removed from here. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir. My name is Shafshin Javed from Standard 7th A. Welcome to the science exhibition of our school. My topic name is Eco-Friendly House. Today I would like to talk about something that is not only important for us but also for the future of our planet, the concept of an eco-friendly house. It uses sustainable materials, energy efficient technologies and water saving solution to minimize its impact on the house. In future, everyone wants to live in eco-friendly house. It will not affect our health. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir. Myself, Chaudhary Krishna from Standard 7th A. Welcome to the science exhibition of our school. My topic is waste plastic management. Nowadays, wherever we see, the only thing we find is plastic, plastic and plastic. We should take some precautions to protect our environment from this harmful and waste plastic. That is why I made a project on waste plastic management to aware people about it. Firstly, I would like to tell you something about my project. I made the project on waste plastic that is used for road construction. Firstly, I would like to tell you some benefits. Cost effective. Utilizing waste plastic can be more economical option other than using only traditional road construction methods. Improve road durability. Using and adding waste plastic can improve the road's strongness and can give resistance to water damage.
We should take certain precautions also during this process, like the temperature should be controlled, the plastic should be used in proper way. Now, I will show you a small demo. Firstly, the waste plastic is collected from every place. Then, it is dumped in yards for removing all the impurities. Then, it is mixed in this grinder to make the plastic form in small pieces. Then, it is heated with other important materials for construction like concrete, cement, etc. Then, the mixture which is ready will now be used for road construction. In this way, we can take a small step, or we can say that a small solution to protect our environment from waste plastic. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Aziza from Standard 7B. I would like to explain my project molecules. Molecules are the small substance made up of from two or more than atoms. They are of different types. There are two types of molecules, element and compound. These are compound molecules. Molecules are of different types. Like I said, element molecule. Element molecule is used as the same, and compound molecule have mixture of element and atoms. Example: water molecule H2O, methane molecule CH4, carbon dioxide molecule CO2, and ammonia molecule NH3. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Maya Banu Muhammad Junaid Babla. I am studying in class 6A. Today I am going to tell you a story. My topic is The Tale of the Green Village. Once a small village surrounded by hills and river. Life was once beautiful and abundant. But over time, villages faced many problems. Barren lands, polluted water, and deforestation. Let's see how the villagers tackle up these challenges. Villages build this deforestation and afforestation by implementing more trees and plants. Every villagers made a dirty river into this clean river by recycling and reducing the waste. By this, villagers understood that by working together and respecting nature, they could build a better future. This is the power of sustainable living. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Sheikh Alia from Standard 50. I would like to tell you something about healthy heart habits. To have a healthy heart, we should maintain a healthy lifestyle. Unbalanced diet or lack of exercise may cause heart disease. We should do at least 30-minute exercise daily to lead our strong. We should eat plenty of fruits such as papayas, apples, grapes, and it will risk for heart disease. We should eat plenty of vegetables such as broccoli, green leafy vegetables, and carrots. We should do at least 30-minute exercise daily to lead our heart strong. Please do not smoke. It will not harm your heart. It will damage your lungs too. At last but not least, never take stress. Stress is the reason behind many heart disease. Please never take stress.
My name is Sheikh Uwais. Today I am going to talking about geometry. This is called a wheel. Acute angles less than 90 degree. This is called angles which has 90 degree. This is called opposite angles more than 90 degree. And this is called straight angles 80 degree. And this is called reflex angles more than 180 degree. And this is called 360 degree complete angles from all around circles. And this is called types of quadrilaterals: kite, rectangles, square, parallelograms, rhombus. All sides are same. This is called circles. Some names are there: seconds, center, diameter, radius, sectors, chord, segments, tangents, arc. This is called a line side. Point is any particular spot. This is called a line goes forever in both directions. This is called line segment, which has starting point and ending point. This is called a parallel lines which do not intersect, goes on a straight lines. This is called intersecticular lines, which intersect but not form a right angles. This is called a ray, which has starting point but don't have ending point. This is called a perpendicular, which has 90 degree of all sides. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here.
Myself, Khana Miravasim from Standard 6B.
And myself, Aisha Ifat from Standard 6B.
Today we are standing here in front of you to explain about global warming. Global warming occurs when greenhouse gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere.
Global warming means the earth gets heat. This happens because of cars, factories, and cutting too many trees.
Why global warming occurs? Global warming occurs due to increasing concentration of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere.
But we have solution too. We can plant more and more trees. We can stop using plastic bags. We can ride bicycle instead of cars. Thank you.
I am Samisha Santosh Bhaira from class 9B. As you can see, it is my project, a graph. What do you mean by graph? In graph, there are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis means a horizontal line which measures the independent, while y-axis is a dependent which give a vertical line. In any one quadrant I would like to choose, like a third quadrant. In third quadrant, the x-axis should be in negative positive and the y-axis should be negative. In third quadrant, both will be in a negative, so we will able to identify it is a third quadrant. So now I will tell the origin, how origin is formed. When the two x-axis form a line and the main center we got, it is called origin. In the x-axis, origin is a positive, while in the left side of the x-axis, it is negative. Same it is in y-axis as well. In y-axis, above the origin, it is a positive, and below the origin, it is negative. Thank you.
Ready?
Hi. Good morning. I am Samisha Santosh Bhaira from 9B.
I am Vinita Mutuma from 7th A.
So today we are going to play a game. What do you mean by prime numbers? Do you know prime number, sir? Do you know prime number? Do you know prime number?
Good morning. My name is Singh Riaude and I am honored to present my project on magic. Today I am standing here to have a fun with you all. I have a magic trick. Let's get it. Choose a number between 1 to 10. Multiply it by 16. Add 144. Divide it by 16. Now subtract the number you have chosen as starting. Open that sheet. Is your answer right? Yes.
Bolu? Good morning everyone. My name is Arshini Yadava. I am studying in 8th standard.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sheikh Ansha from standard 8B. We are made this project. The topic is algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression, we have to solve equation efficiently. In this, we have formulas. A minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Arya Singh from 8th standard. Today I'm here to represent the project which demonstrates the Pythagoras theorem, a fundamental principle in geometry. We can see here there is a 3 cubes. Okay, so the theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of a hypotenuse is equal to the other 2 sides. So the square attached to the sides of a right triangle are filled with an object likely representing the area of a squares. Okay, so this is the areas of a squares this was representing, and now the object square attached to the 2 shorter sides when combined fill the square attached to the hypotenuse, usually using the theorem a square plus b square is equal to c square, where c square is a hypotenuse and a and b are the 2 other sides. And this project demonstrates that if
we want to measure like a something like a buildings and all, so that will be also measured by the hypotenuse, the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.
Myself Yadav Smrit of Standard 9B. I have made this working model which is based on algebraic formulas. With this activity, we can mug up all these answers easily. Now I will show you an example. Like our question is a plus b the whole square. Now we have to choose the correct answer, which is a plus b, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is correct answer. The light will glow. If we are giving wrong answer, nothing will happen. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is a project to overcome the road accidents. Road accidents are mainly in the form of driving the cars in high speed or the holes on the road that develop due to the heavy loaded vehicles, because road has a capacity, everything has a capacity to carry it. That's why I have made this project to identify which vehicle is heavy loaded. This is a normal vehicle. If it will cross, the light will not blink and the barrier will not come in the front of the vehicle. So they can normally go, but if it heavy loaded, then the ice will come, this light will blink and the barrier will come in the front of this. From this we can prevent the accidents on the road, because heavy vehicle will not run, that's the hole will not develop. In this way we can prevent the accidents. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Maths Universe. This is the first type of Maths Universe called Math City. I have made this project with different types of shapes. First shape is cuboid. The first shape is cuboid. The volume of cuboid is L into B into H. The L means length and B means breadth and H means height. The second shape is cube. The volume of cube is a side cube. The volume means the capacity to store anything inside it. The third shape is cone. The volume of cone is 1/3 into pi into r square into h. The third shape is prism. The volume of prism is breadth into height. The fourth is pentagon. The volume of pentagon is 5/2 into 5/2 AB into height. Thank you.
Start. Good morning, my name is Mohammed.
And my name is Ayan.
We are from 8th class. Today we will say about LCM. LCM means lowest common factors, lowest common multiples. So we will do of 2, 3 and 4. We will take the tables of 2, 3 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16,
2 9 18.
2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Now we will take the 3's table. 3 1s are 3, 3 are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Now we will take the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 28. See in which class more marbles are there. So we can see in 12th more marbles are there, and answer is 12 of LCM 2, 3 and 4. LCM
Least common multiples.
least common multiple. Answer is 12.
Thank you.
From standard 8th. Today I'm standing here to have a fun with you all. I have a magic trick. Let's get it. Choose a number between 1 to 10. Multiply it by 16. Now add 144. Divide it by 16. Now subtract the number you have chosen at starting.
मैम आप इस स्कूल से कब से जुड़े हुए हैं और आपका बच्चा कौन सी क्लास में?
मेरा बच्चा सीनियर केजी बी में है और 2 साल हो गया मुझे इस स्कूल के साथ जुड़े हुए।
कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मैंने देखा था पहले एडमिशन से पहले आके, मैंने यहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर, क्लासरूम्स ये सब देखा था, फैसिलिटीज़ देखी थी, उसके बाद ही मैंने उसमें डाला क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगा था यहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर और क्लासरूम्स और जिस तरीके से टीचर पढ़ाते हैं वो सब बहुत अच्छा लगा था, इसके लिए मैंने अपने बच्चों को इसमें डाला।
पढ़ाई के साथ सोशल एक्टिविटीज भी?
पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छा है मेरे हिसाब से, ज़्यादा बर्डन नहीं है बच्चे को, जिस हिसाब से बच्चा है उस हिसाब से ही उसके कैलिबर को यूज़ करते हैं टीचर्स।
Good morning, myself. My name is Pandit Keshav. I am studying in Mount Berry High School. Today my project is based on
Trigonometry means it is used in, it is starting from 9th standard to till the college life. When we are becoming architecture ITI, we are choosing that trigonometry is. This is the game how the trigonometry is. Sin theta is equal to, when we will say the right answer, the light will blink and the sensor will work. When we have said the right answer, the light has blinked. When we will say the wrong answer, the light will not blink, like cos theta. This is the right answer. When we will say the wrong, that light will not blink. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Singh Rai from standard 9th B. Today, this project is based on the circle. It is a parts of the circle, like center of the circle. The point in the center is called the center of the circle. The chord. The
What is the smallest?
chord is the smallest part in the circle. Circumference. Circumference, that's the outer layer of the circle is called a circumference. Radius. Radius is a passes through the diameter. Diameter is also known as the longest chord. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, teacher, or my dear friend. My name Mohammad Hamad Khan.
What is your topic? Agriculture.
Agriculture is done by farmer. Farmer lives in a village. Farmer lives in a village. He grow. So he grow. So crops. So fill. Elise. Farm में done simple simple
Very good. Honest.
Name is Palak.
Sir.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, teacher. My name is Palak. I am senior KG. Apple is a fruit. It is red in color. It is taste. Plants. Apple are plants or short. Plants are short. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, madam. All my dear friends. My name is Palak. I am senior KG class. I am studying in senior KG. Apples are fruits. It is the red in color. It taste are some. Plants are small.
My name is Anabia Sheikh. Going to sing a poem. A little seed formed to sow. A little seed tomato grow. A little soil tomato grow. A little hole. A little path. A little wish, and that is that. A little sun. A little shower. A little eye, and then a flower. Thank My name is Inayat. To dance speech vegetable. Vegetable my favorite food. I eat vegetable really. My favorite vegetable are carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, tomato, potato, pumpkin. Everyone, vegetable keep me strong and healthy.
Everyone should eat vegetable in diet. Bye bye. Thank you.
ऐसे नहीं खड़े नहीं बोलेगा बैठ के नहीं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं हाँ हेलो
Everyone, my name is Yusuf Harris. I'm going to recite flower, flower, boom, flower, flower everywhere. In the garden, in my hand, in the water, and the store. On the table, on the what a lovely time of year. Flower blooming every
Dear friends, my
Thank
name
you.
is Dolpa Jetwa. I'm studying junior KGB. To the Elizabeth farmer. Really hardworking.